Hi everyone! Today we are making a soft and moist banana bread using a rice cooker. No oven needed. I've baked it in a pan and in the oven before, but honestly, the rice cooker version comes out soft and tastes amazing. All you need to do is mix everything together. It's that simple. This recipe is full of natural, nutty, so make sure to stick around until the end. And as a bonus, I will also show you how to bake it in the oven if you don't have a rice cooker, so don't miss it. Let's get started. Get a large bowl ready. Add 3 ripe bananas. For banana bread, using ripe bananas like this makes it much sweeter and more flavorful than using fresh ones. Add 3 eggs, half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Now mash the bananas. You can just use a fork to mash them roughly. If you have a hand blender, you can use that too. It's okay if it's not perfectly smooth. A few small chunks are fine. Next, add 1 cup of pancake mix and half cup of almond flour. If you don't have a pancake mix, regular flour works too. If you are using flour, add 1 more tablespoon of honey or sugar to the batter. You don't even need to add any milk. The batter will come together easily. Pour the batter into your rice cooker. I'm using a Korean electric rice cooker today. There are lots of functions, but don't press the white rice button. Make sure to select the multi-cook setting. After selecting multi-cook, press the right arrow button a few times to set the time to 15 minutes. Once the time is set, just press start. That's it. Super easy, right? After you pressing the button, it's almost done. After 15 minutes, wow! Your kitchen will be filled with amazing smell of fresh banana bread. Poke the center with a chopstick. If it comes out clean, it's ready. Carefully flip the rice cooker bowl upside down to take the bread out and let it cool. When you cut it open, you will see how soft and moist it is inside. It's absolutely delicious just as it is. But if you have some powdered sugar, sprinkle a little on top. It will look and taste even better. You can also serve it with some fresh fruit to make it feel extra special. Take a bite. And you will taste the sweet banana flavor and the rich aroma of almonds all throughout. It's a healthy, delicious treat that's easy to enjoy anytime. If you don't have a rice cooker, no worries. Just prepare the batter the same way and pour it into an oven-safe pan. Bake it in a preheated oven at 350 Fahrenheit for 40 to 50 minutes. Once the top turns golden brown, it's done. If you enjoy this recipe, please hit the like and subscribe. I will see you again soon with more delicious recipes.